Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Today we are going to discuss MHT CET PYQ questions from Coordination Compounds chapter. Coordination Compound chapter. See here question number 1. This is 2006 question. Which of the following is diamagnetic in nature? Which of the following is diamagnetic in nature? About diamagnetic and paramagnetic. What are the diamagnetic and what are the paramagnetic? So question number 1. Diamagnetic and paramagnetic. Paramagnetic means at least one unpaired electron present. At least one unpaired electron present. Here no unpaired electrons. No unpaired electron present. Okay, that means electron should not be present here, unpaired, right? All electrons should be paired, right? Now see the options. The A option is given: iron Cn6 power 3 minus. See here, iron oxidation number. Iron oxidation number you have to know. I am taking two simultaneously, A and B. Nickel tetrachloride, it should be brackets there, 2 minus. See, iron atomic number 26, configuration is 4s2 3d6. In this iron oxidation number is Fe plus 3. See, this is X, it is -1, therefore X minus 6 equal to -3 because total charge is -3, therefore X equal to plus 3, right? Iron oxidation number plus 3. Now electrons, remove 3 electrons from this. From where you will remove the electrons? Obviously you have to remove electron from 4s first because it is valence shell. Valence shell. That means last shell. Here number 4 is there. Fourth shell it is. This is the third shell. So electron always removed from fourth shell. After that, remaining electron you can remove from the third shell. So your configuration is like this: 4s0 3d5. 4s0 3d5, right? Here iron cobalt nickel 28 atomic number, right? 4s2 3d8. What is the oxidation number here? See, it is the -1, total -4. That means if you take it as X, the total should be -2. That means obviously it will be +2, right? Oxidation number, sorry, it is nickel, no? Right, 1 minute. Right, it is nickel. Now nickel plus 2 का configuration here 4s0 3d8. Now which are the following diamagnetic in nature? See here, cyanide is a strong ligand. So how these electrons are arranging? You can take always CFT, no problem. Crystal field splitting you can take. In the crystal field splitting, the d shell 1 2 3 4 5, these all 5 d orbitals splitting into, when coordination number 6 is there, down 3 up 2. When tetrahedral is there, नीचे 2 up 3. Right. Electrons filling. Fill the electrons. See how many electrons we have? 5 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5. That means one unpaired electron is there, so it is para. Next time they may ask how many unpaired electrons are there. Otherwise sometimes they will ask you mu value. Mu equal to under root of n into n plus 2 magnetic momentum. Right? Now it's not asking, right? Now 8 electrons here. This one, the upper 3 orbitals are known as T2g orbitals. The 2 orbitals are known as Eg orbitals. Okay, right. Now we have 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 7, then 8. It is also para. 2 unpaired electrons are there, para. How many unpaired? 2 unpaired electrons are there. Right. Similarly you can do that. Third one, if you practice, that is very easy, but now it is taking more time to explain, right? Next, nickel tetracarbonyl. Nickel tetracarbonyl. On the top of the bracket nothing is there. Nickel atomic number, you know that, 28. Configuration 4s2 3d8. We have total 10 electrons. See, I can write this one is 3d8 4s2 also, right? In the presence of, these are the strong ligands. Strong ligands, generally CO, NO and cyanide minus, these are the strong ligands. Whenever the strong ligands are there, this S electrons shifting into D. Okay, after completely filled D, then only entering into S. Okay, what I written here is a general electronic configuration. But while forming a complex, this S electrons going back into the 3D. In case of only strong ligands. Okay, right. Now total how many electrons? Here 3D 10 electrons. 3D means 5 orbitals are there. Total 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Total 10 electron. No unpaired electron. Therefore diamagnetic. Okay, answer, we got it. Still we can check it. What about manganese? MnCl4 minus. MnCl4 2 minus. Manganese atomic number 25. 4s2 3d5, राइट. इसमें ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर क्या होगा? इसमें +2. +2 मीन्स 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेफ्ट. वी हैव नाउ 3d5 4s0. then 4 means coordination number 4, right? 4, coordination number 4. When coordination number 4 is there, down Eg 2 orbitals, up 3 orbitals, T2g, right? Fill the electrons. Five electrons. 1 2, weak ligand 3, 4, 5. So more unpaired electrons are there. First of all, it is para. If it is asking mu value, okay, obviously it is more magnetic property. So finally answer is C. First question done. C is the answer, right? Next, question number 2. Question number 2. CuNH3 tetraamine 2 plus shows the following hybridization. Similarly, you have to do. Now, what is the copper electronic configuration? First of all, it is 29, but expected is 4s2 3d9 expected, but 4s1 3d10 stable configuration. Now 2 electrons we have to remove, so 1 electron from 4s, 1 electron from 3d. Therefore copper plus 2. First of all, here see NH3 ka 0 oxidation number, therefore copper is plus 2. Copper plus 2 electronic configuration is just, it is 3d9. Now you can take VBT or CFT, anything. Suppose I am taking CFT. So total coordination number is coordination number 4. When coordination number 4 is there, down 2, up 3. 9 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one. Next, here ligand is, which one it is? NH3. NH3 is the strong ligand. NH3 is the strong ligand. It is given in the textbook. You can see that. In place of strong ligand means it is approaching towards the metal atom or ion. It is approaching. So it is coming near to that means this electron is going into next level. See, I can write one more VBT. In the VBT, you will write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons. 1 electron is there. It is the 3d9. Then we need 4 ligands are there. 4 ligands. Okay. After 3d, here 4s0 is there, 4p is there. 4p 0. Right. So this electron here, 4s0 means single box, 3 boxes. This electron entering into 4s. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Here already electrons filled. This is vacant. Okay. Even it is not s, it is going lost. It is lost. It is going to here. Not s also. Okay, here D1 is vacant, then S is vacant, then P may last. How many NH3s are there? Total 4 NH3. 1, 2, 3, 4 NH3s. This 1 NH3 giving electron pair. This is also giving electron pair, forming coordinate bonds, coordinate covalent bond, right? This one unpaired electron is there. Now in this hybridization, which orbitals are involving? One is d, then s, then p, x, then py. So dsp2, hybridization is dsp2. When dsp2 is there, इसका geometry next time may ask next time. So that is geometry is square planar. Suppose sp3 is there. In case of sp3 hybridization, that is tetrahedral geometry. See why I am explaining extra, because next time the question may ask different manner. Okay, same concept. sp3 hybridization is there, tetrahedral geometry. dsp2 is there, square planar. Right. Here one more important thing. Suppose this copper with H2O taken 4 times, copper Cl4 with chlorine. In these two cases, the hybridization will be sp3. Geometry is tetrahedral. H2O and chlorine. Why? It is weak ligands. In case of weak ligands, sp3 and tetrahedral. So here electron jumped into next level. So in case of weak ligand, the electron will be here only. So the s and p3 orbitals involving in the hybridization. Okay, right. So finally, for this question, for given question, the answer is dsp2, A option. Option A. See, you can learn from this CFT बोलते हैं इसका, CFT से भी पता चलेगा. This electron jumping into next level. So it is vacant. Here D, then S, then P. Okay, how many required? Total 4 orbitals. One is D, one is from S, 2 from P. dsp2. Right. One question we can explain from different methods. Then question number 3. A magnetic moment of 1.73. Magnetic moment 1.73 Bohr magnetons. Bm means Bohr magnetons. Will be shown by one among the following. See, what is the formula? Actually, mu equals under root of n into n plus 2. Here n is unpaired electron. Right? If n equal to 1 is there, that means 1.7 only. If n equal to 1, what will happen? That implies mu equal under root of 1 into 1 plus 2, that equal to root 3, that equal to 1.73. Okay, if n equal to 2 is there, mu equal under root of 2 into 2 plus 2, that means 4 into 2, 8, root 8. Root 8 means approximately near to the 3, that means 2.8 to 2.9 something is there. Okay, so 1.7 is given means how many unpaired electrons? 1 unpaired electrons are there. Okay, it indicates 1 unpaired electron is there. 1 unpaired electron. Now you find it where the 1 unpaired electron is there. Question number 3, right? A option. CuNH3 taken 4 times. ये question तो just now we discussed. You can see, go back. Copper. See here, 1 unpaired electron is there in case of copper. 4 ammonias. Copper 4 ammonias, 1 unpaired electron is there. That means A is the option. So no need to solve again. Okay, right. One unpaired electron is there. One unpaired electron is there. Therefore, A is the answer. Next, question number 4. Select the diamagnetic complex ion among the following complexes. Diamagnetic, again diamagnetic means, see, same concept, many questions are there. Diamagnetic means n equal to 0, unpaired electrons. N means unpaired electrons. Unpaired electrons should be 0. Right. Here FeCN6, A option. K3 FeCN6. We will see that. What is the oxidation number of iron here? आयरन का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर होगा +3, क्योंकि पोटेशियम का +1 टोटल +3 +6 हो जाएगा. देन साइनाइड -1, ये तो -6 टोटल, दैट इक्वल टू 0. Okay, you have to practice this oxidation number, how to calculate. Okay, right. If you want, I will explain next example. Then Fe +3. In case of Fe +3, what is the iron oxidation atomic number? Manganese iron 26. That means 4s2 3d6. इसमें से 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स निकाल दो. देन हो जाएगा 4s0 3d5. राइट, 3d5. सी ऑड नंबर इज देयर मीन्स 100% अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन तो होगा. नो नीड टू डू अगेन. Unpaired electron is there, odd number is there, so no need to go next level. Then I am going to next B. See, it is not okay, it is always, but even number is there means even number में unpaired भी हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, right. Next option B. Cobalt NH3 taken 6 Cl3. Right. See how to calculate oxidation number. If you don't know, take it as X. But remaining ligands oxidation number you should know, then only it is possible. Okay, NH3 is the existing molecule. Ammonia is there. It is a neutral molecule, so oxidation number will be 0. Chlorine in general इसका होता है -1. ठीक है. नाउ x +6 into 0 plus -3 or 3 into -1 equal to 0. Total should be 0. Right. X plus 0 minus 3 equal to 0. That implies x equal to 3. So oxidation number cobalt का हो गया अभी 3. Right, cobalt +3. Then cobalt atomic number, iron cobalt 27 means 4s2 3d7. Now निकाल दो 3 electrons, remove the 3 electrons. Then 4s0 3d6, 4s0 3d6. बस, तो ये होने का चांसेस है. Once again you see strong ligand. Strong ligand means electron will get paired up. Strong ligand. You take CFT. What is the coordination number? Coordination number is 6. Do you know the coordination number means? How many ligands, how many bonds are there? Coordination number means how many bonds. See, 6 ammonia are there means 6 bonds it can form. Right. When coordination number 6 is there, down 3 up 2. Now fill the electrons. हमारे पास 6 electrons है. So this 6 electrons 1 2, 3. Now the next thing is this fourth electron will go up or down. It will get paired up or it is going into EG. That is the doubt, right? In case of strong ligand मतलब एक force like police, army. Okay, so in the presence of any police protection, okay, then immediately everyone going into their home. So that means the electron will pair up here. In the presence of strong ligand, the electrons will get paired up. What was the reason? The reason is here, in case of strong ligand, it is approaching near to the central metal atom or ion. So this distance is increasing. This distance is increase. So electron cannot jump into EG. So simply it will pair up here. Total 6 electrons. You can see 6 electrons. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore no unpaired electrons. No unpaired electron. That means n equal to 0. Therefore B is the answer. Okay. So question number 4th. Question number 4th. Answer will be B. Here no unpaired electrons are there. Still you want, I will take C option also. C option I will in K3 Fe F6. Okay. Now oxidation number, take it as X. So total potassium plus 3, iron don't know X, fluorine each one is -1, total is a -6 equal to 0. Then X minus 3 equal to 0. That implies X equal to plus 3. X equal to plus 3. Right? Iron plus 3 here. Now iron, that is a 26, 4s2, 3d6, Fe plus 3 electron को निकालना है. That is 4s0, 3d5. देखो unpaired odd number is there means obviously para. Okay, like that you can understand it is the para. Next, 5th question. Question number 5th. The correct IUPAC name of it should be CO. It is big oxygen is given. It is cobalt. It should be NH3 taken thrice, NO2 taken thrice. Right. IUPAC is very easy. IUPAC में first you have to write ligand names, ligand plus metal atom or ion प्लस इधर और इधर एक कुछ भी है तो इधर लिखना है. दीज आर कॉल्ड काउंटर आयन्स. दीज आर कॉल्ड काउंटर आयन्स. काउंटर आयन. दिस वन आल्सो काउंटर आयन. काउंटर आयन. ठीक है. लिगेंड्स अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में लिखना है. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. देन this metal atom name as it is होगा. इसमें in the bracket you have to write oxidation state, you have to write in the Roman number. Okay, these are the points here to remember. Right. See, triamine and nitro. Triamine. तो सब में तो 4 में triamine is there. Right. Next कोबाल्ट. सब में तो कोबाल्ट है. फर्स्ट यू सी दैट ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर क्या है. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर NO2 माइनस, टोटल -3. दैट मीन्स कोबाल्ट प्लस 3. राइट. सब में 3 में कोबाल्ट प्लस 3 इज देयर. राइट. सी हियर बी तो रॉन्ग. C also wrong because cobalt के बाद nitrite written. C also wrong. Triamine, trinitro, N cobalt. Okay, A and D may you have to select. N cobalt. Okay, you can see in the A option and D option here cobalt is there. Cobalt, this one is cobaltate. Cobalt 8. The 8 will come whenever it is like anion. In case of anion, 8 will come. In case of neutral, either IUM, UM or normal name. Okay, here 8 is given in the D. In the D 8 is given, so it is not anion. ये कॉम्प्लेक्स के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गए तो कोबाल्ट 8 कब है नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गए तो, but it is there is no negative charge. 8 is given, so this one also wrong. A is the correct. Okay, once again I am repeating. Say counter ions you have to write, then ligands alphabetical order, then metal atom के बाद oxidation number. Okay, then counter ion. Now here note points. Metal atom name, sometimes we have to keep suffix. Okay, suffix means like this cobaltate, like that. Whenever negative charge is there, 8 will come. Positive charge, yeah, neutral is there. Some metal atoms are getting IUM suffix, some metal atoms are not getting. Okay, suppose iron is there, ferrium. Copper is there, cuprium. Okay, zinc is there, there is no zincium, just zinc. Okay, like that. Negative is there, 8 is compulsory. Zincate, cuprate, ferrate, like that. Right. Question number 6. Question number 6. Here, two coordinations given, CrNH3 and CrSCN6. Another one is there, chromium NH3 taken twice, SCN4, then CrNH3 4 SCN2. What is asking? These are the examples of which type of isomerism. Okay, first ionization isomerism is given. Ionization. What is ionization? Ionization means if these both are giving two different ions, then that is ionization. See, these complex never dissociate. Okay, there is no different ions, so it is not ionization. Then linkage isomer. Linkage isomer means because thiocyanide is there, no? Somewhere it is there SCNS. Okay, if metal is connected with sulfur, here metal is connected with carbon, these are called what is that? B, linkage. But ऐसा कुछ है, SCN is there, here also SCN is there, so this is also wrong. Then coordination isomerism. In the coordination isomerism, you can see the ligands are shifting from one coordinate entity to another coordinate entity, mixing. See, some of the ammonia went to here, some cyanides, thiocyanide came here. Okay, so this is the 3 coordination isomerism. C, coordination isomerism is the correct answer. What is the D? Solvate. Solvate में क्या होता है? H2O molecules are differ in the coordination entity. Bracket के अंदर sometimes 5, sometimes 4 is there. ठीक है, ये coordination entity होता है. Right. अभी आंसर तो मिल गया, राइट, सी। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, the molecular formula of Wilkinson catalyst, 7th क्वेश्चन, डायरेक्ट ये मेमोरी बेस्ड टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया था। विल्किंसन कैटलिस्ट, विल्किंसन कैटलिस्ट, the phosphorus triphenyl phosphide, then rhodium chloride, it is used in the hydrogenation of alkenes. Taken thrice means where it is B option, where we will use hydrogenation. In the hydrogenation we will use hydrogenation of alkenes, in alkenes, direct. Next, question number 8, which of the following is neutral complex? Direct, simple question. Neutral complex means on the top of the complex 0, no charge, that means no ions. देखो A में, that is the answer, right? A is the answer. In case of, you can see that B, में क्या है? B is the Cl3 is there, means that complex के ऊपर +3 आ जाएगा, इधर Cl3 is there. Okay, then C ऑप्शन में ब्रैकेट के ऊपर +2 आ जाएगा because it's Cl2 is there. In D option K4 is there, means ब्रैकेट के ऊपर -4 आ जाएगा. Okay, so neutral means only A, right. Next, question number 9, the correct charge on and coordination number of iron, correct charge and coordination number पूछ रहे, right? Okay, charge and coordination number. See, charge क्या होगा? देखो K3 FeCN6. So here +1, K total +3 means just you divide like this imaginary. ये इधर साइड +3 मतलब इधर क्या होगा? तो -3 coordination number, correct charge. Okay, right, -3. See here asking that iron positive charge, आयरन का चार्ज क्या होगा? आयरन का चार्ज हो जाएगा इधर +3. Why +3? Cn is the -1, total is -6. ये टोटल -6, आयरन का +3, देन ओनली ब्रैकेट के ऊपर -3 आ जाएगा. ओके, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड इट्स फाइन, अदरवाइज यू कैन डू दैट, नथिंग बट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट आस्किंग. ओके, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, then you can do another method like this. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर आयरन का पता नहीं, x. ओके, इसका तो हो जाएगा +1, इसका तो हो जाएगा -1. नाउ टोटल इट इज +3 प्लस x, एक साइनाइड -1, टोटल -6 इक्वल टू 0. दैट इम्प्लाइज x -3 इक्वल टू 0, देन x इक्वल टू +3. ओके, so here also we got it +3, but by this method also we got it +3. now coordination number क्या है? coordination number तो 6, iron connected with 6 cyanide. Don't count this potassium. Potassium is outside the bracket. Okay, so this is the coordination entity. Within the coordination entity, how many ligands are forming the bonds? Okay, that is coordination number is 6. Now you check the options, 3 comma 6, so ninth, B is the option. B is the option. Next, 10. Which of the following coordinate complexes is an exception to EAN rule? EAN means effective atomic number. Effective atomic number. This effective atomic number, if it is equal to inert gas number, inert gas number is there, if it is equal to inert gas number, then it is stable, then it is stable, stable complex, stable complex. Okay, now how to calculate EAN? EAN equals central metal atom atomic number minus charge or oxidation state. Charge मतलब oxidation state. Okay, which oxidation state? The metal atom oxidation state, right? Plus 2 into coordination number, 2 into coordination number, CN, coordination number. Okay, you can write it here. CN means CN equal to coordination number. Coordination number. Right. You will calculate EAN for A option. Question number क्या था? 10th. That is that platinum NH3 taken 6 plus 4, right? NH3, that means oxidation, platinum का oxidation number क्या होगा? plus 4, right? Now EAN equal to atomic number, platinum atomic number is given 78. 78 minus 4 plus 2 into coordination number 6, right? What is this? 72 plus 12, 74, 84. Here you had to, is it clear? 84, sorry, one mistake I did. It is 78 minus 4, that is 74. That means the total is 86. Total is 86. Right, here you have to know the inert gas atomic numbers. Okay, 2, 10, 18, इसका डिफरेंस 8 हो गया, इसका डिफरेंस 8 हो गया. नेक्स्ट 36, 18 डिफरेंस, then 54, 18 difference, then 32 difference, that means 86. These are the inert gas atomic numbers. Atomic number. If EAN is equal to any one of this, that is more stable, right? We calculated here A 86, we calculated, right? That means it is there 86, so that is stable. Now you can see the B option, iron CN6 taken 4 minus. Okay, what is the oxidation number of iron? Iron oxidation number here plus 2. Why it is minus 1, total minus 6. Minus 6 means if you put the plus 2, then only minus 4 you will get it, right? Iron plus 2. Atomic number iron is given 26. 26 minus 2 plus coordination number 6, that implies 24 plus 12, that equal to 36. That means following, B also following. Then C, zinc, zinc NH3 taken 4 times 2 plus, right? Zinc का atomic number 30. 30 oxidation number plus 2. 30 minus 2 plus 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, right? That equal to 28 plus 8, that equal 36. So A, B, C are following. Then D option, obviously A होगा answer. Copper NH3 taken 4 times 2 plus. Atomic number 29. Oxidation number plus 2. EAN I am calculating, right? Plus 4 into 2, that equal to 27 plus 8, that is 35. It is not following, so this is the D. Question number 11. Yes, 11th or 10th. Yes, question number 10th. Question number 10th का answer is D. Got it? Then question number 11. What is the oxidation number of gold in the complex AuCl4 1 minus? देखो, if you don't know, take it as X. Then chlorine का तो -1, X minus 4 equal to -1, that implies X equal -1 plus 4, that equal plus 3. 11th plus 3, the B option. Okay, if you want more explanation, so 4x plus 4 into -1, that equal to, here whatever charge is there, the charge you have to write like this: x minus 4 equal to -1, then x equal to -1 plus 4, that equal to plus 3. Okay, right? कैसे भी B is the answer. Next, question number 12. What is the number of donor atoms in dimethyl glyoxymeto ligand? Dimethyl glyoxymeto, right? See first, what is the glyoxime? This is the glycol. Okay, double bond NOH, double bond NOH. This is the oximes. Okay, is a glyoxime. This is the glyoxime, right? In place of H, CH3 is there, that is dimethyl glyoxime. Dimethyl glyoxime. This is the dimethyl glyoxime. Now here donor atoms. Donor atoms are there. This methyl has the lone pair. This methyl also has the lone pair. It can donate. It can donate. So two donors. Two donor atoms. Two donor atoms. Right, what is the answer? Question number 12, B. Two donor atoms, two lone pairs. Oxygen is not involving here. Nitrogen is the donor. Nitrogen is the donor. Next, question number 13. Which complex among the following gives a white precipitate treatment with an aqueous solution of barium chloride? See, barium chloride से react करके कुछ X compound is giving, means that is barium sulfate is the white PPT. मतलब this X complex should ionize as sulfate ions. Which one sulfate? B option. 13th is B. Okay, complex में कभी भी in the complex, okay, the bracket one is one ion, then counter ion. These are giving ions. Okay, within the bracket it cannot dissociate. Okay, bracket completely one ion, then counter ions. Here B में sulfate is there, so 13th B. Next, question number 14. Which among the following is used in the treatment of cancer? Is the direct introduction में NCERT introduction में is there? NCERT introduction mole concept chapter introduction, as well in the state board this complex compounds chapter में given in the uses. So directly memorized, memory based. 14th question is the B is the answer. Cisplatin. Cancer drug it is. Then next 15th question. Which among the following is a neutral complex? Already we solved this type of question. Neutral complex means bracket के ऊपर zero charge, no positive, no negative. So here D is the answer. Okay. Right. What about A? A will be positive, the 2 plus 2. B is plus 3. C is minus 1. D is 0. So D is the answer. Complex के ऊपर these charges I am writing here. Next, question number 16. According to the Werner's theory, the geometry of the complex is determined by geometry. ये ज्योमेट्री किससे होता है? मेटल एंड लाइगेंड, maybe 6. Okay, so the coordination number 6. Hybridization may be sp3d2 or d2 sp3. इससे hybridization then geometry होता है, इसका geometry. Okay, counter ion से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. Now read the options. 16th, number and position of the primary valencies in space. Primary valency क्या होता है? वो ionizable होता है. See, according to Werner's, what he given that one is thick line, one is dotted line, ligand. Okay, if it is given dotted line means ये bracket के बाहर outside रहता है, वो ionizable. ठीक है. और thick line is there means within the bracket not ionizable. Now number and position of the primary valencies in space. According to the Werner's theory, geometry of the complex. No, only from the primary valencies, that is ionizable. Only from the position of the secondary valencies in space. Number and position of the secondary valencies. See here, dotted line is called primary valency. It is ionizable. Ionizable. Generally outside the bracket. Outside the bracket. Next, thick line is there. Secondary valency. Okay, inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, non-ionizable. Ionizable. Okay, coordination number इससे ही बनते coordination number. कुछ रहता है dotted as well as thick number and position of the secondary valency in space. So finally here geometry बनते हो secondary valencies and उसका number से. So D is the option. 16th D. Next. 6 है तो ऑक्टाहेड्रल, 4 है तो स्क्वायर प्लेनर या टेट्राहेड्रल ज्योमेट्री, लाइक दैट नंबर पे भी डिपेंड होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. effective atomic number of this one. So already we solved this. फिर भी one more time we can solve. FeCN6 ऊपर -3. Here iron atomic number is given 26. EAN equal 26. Oxidation number क्या होगा इधर +3. So 26 - 3 plus 2 into coordination number 6, that equal 23 plus 12, that equal 35. 17th A is the option, correct answer. Then 18th question, IUPAC barium Cu Cl4. See options, read it. फर्स्ट बेरियम होना चाहिए. बेरियम सी ABCD में B तो टेट्राक्लोरो इज गिवन, सो रॉन्ग. D is given barium, right. C also wrong. Now A and D. Barium tetrachloro cuprate 2 cuprate 3. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर डिसाइड करेगा. देखो दिस वन इज बेरियम का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर +2. वी डोंट नो x, इट इज जनरली -1. सो +2 + x + 4 into -1 equal to 0, right. X +2 minus, then x equal to 2. So option A is the correct, B is the wrong. So 18th A is the answer. Okay, barium tetrachloro cuprate 2. Here cuprate 3 is there, right. Next question number 19. Which among the following ligands is used for the estimation of hardness of water? Estimation of hardness of water, it is directly memory based question again. Memory based. Okay, that is D option, ethylene diamine tetraestate, EDTA. Okay, it is also used for to remove mercury and poisonous elements from the body. Many advantages are there. Okay, even from hardness we can remove the hardness also, right. EDTA, it will capture like octopus jaisa, it will catch the metals. Next 19th over. Then question number 20. What is the denticity of ethylene diamine? Again same question. EDTA. Now asking the denticity means coordination number, how many bonds it can form. If you know the structure, you can write it ethylene diamine tetraacetato, COO minus COO minus acetate, COO minus, here COO minus. देखो ethylene diamine tetraacetato, 4 acetate. Okay, right. Now coordination number कितना होगा maximum, देखो here it can form one bond, this nitrogen can form second, this one 3, 4, 5, 6. Coordination number maximum 6 it can form bonds. Denticity is 6. Question number 26. So D is the answer. Right. Next question number 21. The complex ions is given H2O5 ONO NO2. See the देखो ONO metal connected with oxygen ONO, then metal NO2. ये क्या होता है, लिंकेज आइसोमर होता है, लिंकेज. सो 21 इज ए, डायरेक्ट आंसर. 21 is A. Then 22. The IUPAC name of the coordinate complex. IUPAC name platinum NH3 taken twice Cl2. देखो here amine and dichloro. First alphabetical order it will come amine. See A, B, C, D options. See diamine is there, dichloro is there. Alphabetical order, so B cut diamine, dichloro, D cut. A is there, diamine, dichloro, D, C also diamine, dichloro, platinum. Now oxidation number. See, if you don't know, take it as X. NH3 का oxidation number 0, chlorine का -1. X plus 0 minus 2 equal to 0, X equal to 2. So oxidation number 2. That means A is the correct. 22 A. Right. Next 23 and 24 is there, right? Question number 23. Effective atomic number EAN. See, topics same, repeated. That's why you can concentrate on 2-3 topics. Maximum you can answer it. EAN. Atomic number is given, right? What is that? Cobalt NH3 taken 6 plus 3. What is the oxidation number here? Plus 3. Right. Atomic number 27 already given. 27 minus oxidation state 3 plus 2 into coordination number 6, that equal 24 plus 12, that equal 36. 36. So option is D. Option D. (23) question answer is D, right? Last question 24. The coordination number of platinum. Very simple question they asked. Platinum 2 chlorines, NH3 2 ammonia. So here 2 bonds, this one also 2 bonds, therefore coordination number will be 4. ठीक है, ये तो अभी क्वेश्चन है, राइट चलेगा. सो ऑप्शन इज ए. देन coordination number. Now coordination compounds completed up to 2019 question. 2019 questions. All questions completed. Watch the video, subscribe the channel for updated videos.